Did you know there are massive waterfalls hidden under the ocean? It sounds impossible, right? But it's true. We're not talking about rocks falling, but actual water falling through other water. Here's how it works. In certain places, seawater gets colder and saltier than the water around it. This makes it much denser and heavier. So, when this heavy water flows over an underwater cliff or ridge, it sinks straight down, creating a spectacular cascade, just like a waterfall on land. Some of these underwater waterfalls are gigantic, even taller than any you'd find on land, dropping for hundreds of meters. They play a huge role in shaping the ocean floor, moving essential nutrients, and influencing global ocean currents. You'll never see them with your own eyes, but they are some of the biggest waterfalls on our planet. It just makes you wonder what other incredible secrets the deep ocean is hiding.